Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Sublime MUA, and today I will show you how I clean my makeup brushes. So I have all of my brushes and all of my soap ready to go. And first, I'm going to take the brush and saturate it in water. You can do hot water or cold water, it doesn't matter. But I have this cleaner here that I have bought from TJ Maxx. It's not very strong, but it's one of the cleaners that I use initially to just, get into the brush and get off as much product as possible before I go on with the next soap that I use. So I do use a bar soap. This soap is Irish Spring soap, and I was surprised about how clean it got my brushes. So I'm pretty sure how you saw how brown the brush was before I applied the Irish Spring, but the Irish Spring just gets my brushes so white, back to the color that they were when I first bought them. But yeah, you guys see the screen, so go ahead and subscribe, comment, and like to this video, and follow me for future videos. So once I finish cleaning the brush and it looks nice and white to me, I just rinse again and I pat the brush on my hand to get out the excess water. You have to be careful with your brushes too, because my brushes aren't super duper durable brushes. They aren't super expensive. I just bought them off of Amazon. But you don't want to pull the brushes out when you're trying to squeeze the water out, so you want to be aware of that and careful of that. But as you guys can see, I'm just going in with my other brushes and doing the same process over and over again. I did speed up the video because it is a little time consuming and the process doesn't change. So with that, just make sure that you get off all of the product off the handle of the brush, everything of that nature. And yeah, just keep going, guys. You want to make sure that you clean your brushes before every time you apply your makeup, just to help keep away from breakouts and stuff like that, because it can carry bacteria and you guys don't want that. Especially for me as a makeup artist, I like to clean my brushes after every use, just so I know and I am aware that my brushes are clean and that I shouldn't have any problems with my clients and with their skin. The cleaner that I have, that I said I had got from TJ Maxx, I actually got it on sale. I'm pretty sure you guys can see the red tag, and it was only for like $3. If you go to TJ Maxx, they have a plethora of makeup products, different cleaners, beauty blenders, brushes, lashes, everything, and they're all for a reasonable price and good quality. So definitely check out TJ Maxx, guys, for all of your beauty needs. So next, we're going to get into cleaning our beauty blender. So as you can see, I'm pumping the soap into the beauty blender, guys. Pumping it, just because the beauty blender holds so much product. It's crazy. And I'm also using the soap on my Still palette to get that foundation off that I had applied. So I'm using the soap, both soaps, to get off that product, and I use my nails just to scrape the product that's like stuck on off. And you want to make sure that it's spotless, shining. So I'm just using my finger here to get off all of that product and make sure that the plate is clean and I can see myself in my reflection. So once that beauty blender has been sitting in the soap, I just pump some more soap into it and rub the Irish Spring bar on the beauty blender. Make sure that you're careful with your beauty blender, because if you squeeze it or pull it too hard, it can rip because they're really delicate. And yeah, just rinse it as much as possible until when you squeeze it, the bubbles become clear and colorless. That's how you know that you got all of the product out of the beauty blender. And last but not least, I wash my hands and make sure that my area is clean. Lay your brushes out to dry. Lay your plate out to dry. And make sure that all the bristles are pointed in the right direction so that your brushes will be perfect once they are finished. Thanks, guys.